like whether it's MUN, cricket, studies or robotics. If I'm having fun, it's almost like it's my free time. Like it doesn't matter whether it's free time or whether I'm working. I enjoy both the same. So from like it's not balancing anything, it's more of just enjoying.
Balance is more like a muscle. The more you flex it, the better it becomes. Yeah, okay? Less activity, lesser balance. More activity, more balance. It's always like that. So besides robotics, both the children have always again put in their best in whatever they are doing, and that's a thing that has come from RFL according to me. Because anytime, any competition they are doing, they want to put in their best. Like you put in your best effort, you will show your dedication, you focus on details, you plan out your journey, and things just fall in place. You can do everything only if these steps are there. And they've learned it all from you. Because it's always like a time-bound thing. Every competition is on a certain date. It's like you have to make a timetable to reach that date. So that's how they have learned to plan their journeys of this.
What I can say is something like, although like I'm not certain on what college I want to go to, robotics it helps you build your abilities and skills such that you can apply to these top colleges. And it's not in my situation per se, it's like for anyone doing robotics, it gives you those abilities to do whatever you want in life and get into whichever college and pursue whatever job.